Hello, Tom Watts with Tech Republic here, on site at Scale Computing Platform 2026. In the fast-paced world of digital transformation and constant modernization, customers need to know their IT vendors can adapt and innovate for the future. Here to explain why Scale Computing is poised to be that vendor is its own Craig Teriak, VP of Product Management, as well as Chief Revenue Officer Dan Pierce. Welcome, guys. Great to have you with us.
Here. Yeah.
Now, when organizations choose an infrastructure platform, they're usually making a 5 to 10 year bet. So how does Scale Computing approach product roadmap, Craig, planning to ensure customers can confidently build long-term strategies?
In terms of how the product is architected in general, it's really built around future-proofing, right? So whether you're an SMB customer that's looking to replace VMware, or whether you're a large distributed enterprise that's replacing infrastructure out at your sites, you have to have something that you can build on top of, knowing that whatever's coming down the pike will work, right? So you got legacy virtual machines or maybe some newer containerization workloads, that type of thing. That's great, but what you don't understand is there's a lot of stuff going on in the market right now around AI, and that's going to drive a lot of really interesting innovation, not just from the AI workloads that run like inference and that sort of thing, but also just the new applications that are going to be created because of AI kind of opening up that market to people that can now describe a problem and all of a sudden have a solution that needs to run somewhere.
And you mentioned AI there, and obviously technology evolves so quickly. So how do you balance innovation with stability so that customers can adopt new capabilities without having to re-architect their environments?
I think stability has to trump everything. The unsung hero of all of our products is that they work. The things that we say that these products do, they do, and they do it reliably. It has to be a set it and forget it mentality where you put the infrastructure in and know it's just going to work. So that's the foundation of everything, and then you can build innovation on top of that, kind of at speed without worrying about breaking the underlying stability. And because we're able to do that, we can pass that along to our customers, to our partners, to the end users that are going to be putting applications on this so that they can also innovate on top of that.
And Dan, how does that affect partners?
Yeah, I think without question, the technology has to work, has to be simple to deploy and manage. It has to be simple for our partners to take to market. But the intangibles, all relationships are built on trust. So does the technology work? Are we listening to the feedback of customers and partners on what features need to go into the product and we have the right priority? Do we pick up the phone when they have a support or an issue? Do we help train them to get to market? It's all about ensuring we've got trust on multiple levels of all those elements.
Great. And you mentioned trust there, and if we look beyond the technology itself, what does being a long-term platform partner mean to you in terms of support, in terms of lifecycle management, and working alongside customers and partners as their needs evolve?
Yes, we've had partners that are 10 plus years old with Scale. So we have a phenomenal channel currently. We continue to see new partners come in that are looking for an alternative to VMware. And for us, we've got great solutions today. As you mentioned, the world's evolving. We're evolving with it, so you're able to run those legacy applications, have the infrastructure you need today for your network, at a controlled bandwidth to run all those applications. But the next best AI application that comes along in the future, we're going to be able to run those as well. So for us, we have a long-term relationship today. The new partners that come on board, they're going to be able to look forward to also a long, healthy relationship with Scale.
Fantastic. Well, gents, thank you so much for joining me today. Really appreciate you taking the time. Thanks to you at home for watching as well. I'm Tom Watts, and if you want to find out more about Scale Computing Platform 2026, please visit techrepublic.com.